Hello guys, welcome to the CLS channel. As some of you may know, the Civic never had an exhaust. So in this video, we built a sweet exhaust that we built from scratch. Anyways, enough talking. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys and enjoy.
Look at that, Roy.
No moving. Dude, that bend is solid. That shit looks sick. It's gonna clear and everything.
Okay, now that we got that established and it ain't moving on us, we can actually fucking separate it. Now we need to work our way this way. That's better.
Alright. Will that work?
No? Well, what worked?
Wait, what happened to the one in the... Oh, it's...
Oh, what happened, man?
Should I use bricks? No, huh?
Go bring the flange and all that shit.
The flange?
Yeah.
Here you go. Here's the flange. And then I have two. Oh, fancy. Would you look at that? Ready?
Okay, so now that it's all welded, or somewhat welded, I can take it down. And Alberto ain't gonna be there tomorrow, but he can weld it on Monday or Tuesday.
Okay.
So I could take it over the weekend.
Okay.
So for now, hurry up and get everything you need done, and then get you're ready for the tune. Like schedule your tune, and then once your exhaust is all like welded, we'll put it up and So right now, technically, you could. Well,
I whatever I need to finish. Basically.
Well, I was gonna say drop the car, but no. Let's get the exhaust fully welded.
And then put it on, right?
Put it on, and then we'll bolt it up, everything like this.
Put the O2.
Put the O2, and you're good, dude.
Yeah.
You can load it up on the trailer and take it to the thing. You're done, dude.
Yeah. It's really good progress. I'm excited.
Exhaust removal.
So the car currently didn't start, so we have to figure out why. And I'm just gonna have my camera rolling so you guys can see what's going on.
Alright.